This is miso-glazed salmon for 2 servings. Prep time 10 minutes and cook time 3 to 4 minutes. A quick Japanese microwave recipe with a savory miso glaze. Ingredients for 2 servings. 2 salmon fillets, about 6 ounces each. 2 tablespoons white miso paste. 1 tablespoon mirin. 1 tablespoon sake. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon sugar. 1 teaspoon freshly grated ginger. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. 1 stalk green onion, thinly sliced. 1 teaspoon toasted sesame seeds. 1/4 teaspoon salt and a pinch of black pepper. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Pat the 2 salmon fillets dry with a paper towel, then season both sides with 1/4 teaspoon salt and a pinch of black pepper. Measure 2 tablespoons white miso paste into a small bowl. Add 1 tablespoon mirin and 1 tablespoon sake to the bowl. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce and 1 teaspoon sugar to the bowl. Add 1 teaspoon freshly grated ginger and 1 teaspoon sesame oil, then whisk until smooth for about 15 seconds. Place the salmon fillets skin side down on the white rectangular ceramic plate and brush half of the glaze evenly over the tops. Cover the plate loosely with a microwave-safe lid or vented wrap and place into the microwave. Microwave on high power for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, check the thickest part for flakiness and opaque color. If the salmon is not yet flaky, microwave an additional 30 seconds on high and check again. Spoon the remaining glaze over the cooked fillets and microwave on high for 30 seconds to set the glaze. Let the salmon rest in the dish for 1 minute to allow juices to settle. Transfer the fillets to the white rectangular ceramic plate, garnish with the thinly sliced green onion and 1 teaspoon toasted sesame seeds, then serve immediately. Enjoy your meal. If you enjoyed this quick miso-glazed salmon, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for more recipes.